Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn with Memo Malala. In today's video, we will learn how to handle common English conversation, introducing yourself, introducing others, welcome a new employee, and making invitations. These skills will help you sound confident and friendly in any situation. So, let's get started. How to introduce yourself? Great party, isn't it? Yeah, it's cool. I'm Ali. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. You too. Hey, I am Kevin. Hey, Kevin. I am David. Nice to meet you. You too, David. So, how do you know the host at a party? I and Daniel work together. What about you? I live next door. Oh, here are the meaning. A host. A person who invites guests to his or her home. Next door means a house next to yours. How to introduce people. Laura, meet Sion. Sion, this is Laura. Nice to meet you. Sion, you too, Laura. James, this is Charis. Charis, this is James. Nice to meet you, James. You too, Charis. I have heard a lot about you. All good, I hope. Welcome to a new employee. Hey, I am Claire. Nice to meet you. I am Robert. You too. Are you new here? Yes, it's my first day here. You must be Susan. Yes, right. I am Jill. Nice to meet you, Susan. Let me show you around. Nice to meet you too, Jill. Thank you. Hello, Jake. Welcome to our company. Let me introduce you to some people. Thank you. That would be nice. Hey, I am Jeff. Are you new here? Yes, I am Alex. I am new paralegal. Where will you be working? On the 7th floor. We will be seeing a lot of each other then. So here are the meaning. To show you around. To show you a place, an office or home. To introduce. To tell someone other person's name when they see each other for the first time. Paralegal means someone who has legal training and helps a lawyer. So how to make an invitation? Would you like to come to my birthday party? I would love to. What time is your party? 5 p.m. I will be there. Thanks. Would you like to come over for dinner tonight? That would be lovely, but I have got a previous arrangement. What a shame. I would love to come another time. I would love it if you could come to stay, but do you mind dogs? No, of course not. Thanks you for inviting me. So here is the meaning of a previous arrangement means a plan you had made before you were invited. How to welcome guests. Hey, come in. Hey, nice to see you. I'm glad you could make it. Thank you for asking me. Hey, come in. Nice to see you. You look wonderful. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here. I'm very glad I came. Nice to have you here. I am glad I could come. How was your journey? I hit a traffic jam, but quite smooth after all. What are the meanings? To make it, to manage to get somewhere, to hit a traffic jam, to drive up the road that is very busy with other drivers, smooth, without problems. So, that's it for today's video. Now you know how to introduce yourself, introduce others, welcome a new colleague, and make invitations. These simple conversation skills can help you sound more confident in daily life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also let me know in the comments what topic should I cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.